Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had read and explained lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger of your Wordsworth English Reader book, and I had started with exercise A of comprehension. Now today also I am going to continue with the exercise A of comprehension of lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. So all of you, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book and turn the page to page number 30. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 30, lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Students, first of all, I am going to read this lesson for you. After reading it, I will be continuing with the comprehension exercise. Now, please pay attention as I read page number 30, lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Please listen to my pronunciation carefully so that you can also pronounce the words accurately. Now, lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger, page 30. Tiger was chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, quick movement and enormous power. As the tiger is also considered a mighty animal of jungle, it was an obvious choice for the national animal category. Tiger has always been considered as a royal animal. The tiger, as the national animal of India, symbolizes the power, strength, elegance, alertness, intelligence and tolerance of the nation. However, what is alarming is that there has been a steep fall in the population of tigers in the world. Due to illegal smuggling of tiger skin and other body parts, there are very few tigers left in the world today. There are only 5,000 to 7,000 tigers in the world today, out of which Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Myanmar claim to have a population of 3,000 to 4,500 and India alone claims to have a population of 2,500 to 3,750 tigers. In India, out of the 8 known types of tiger, the Royal Bengal tiger is found throughout the country except in the northwestern region. As there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil, the Indian government launched the Project Tiger in the year 1973. Project Tiger focuses on preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of the tigers. Under this project, 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country, providing safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in the natural environment. By 1993, there was much improvement in the tiger population in the country. However, despite the increase in population, the population of tigers in the country is still not satisfactory as compared to the effort and money put in the project. This is due to the illegal poaching of the tigers and negligence of authorities towards the alarming situation of the tiger population in the country. However, the latest estimates show that 2,226 tigers roam through the forest reserves in the country in 2014. This shows an increase in the numbers of the national animal of India. With this, India has around 70% of the world's around 3,000 tigers. The efforts for the protection of tigers are slowly showing results. In the coming years, the population of tigers will hopefully increase due to the efforts of the government and the people of our country. So students, this was the reading of the lesson. Now let's start with comprehension exercise. I had already done the first one, but again today I'll be revising it. So exercise A of comprehension, page number 32. All of you, please do this exercise in your book only. Need not do it in the notebook. The heading is choose the correct option to answer the following questions. Now, the heading is choose the correct options to answer the following question. There will be options given and we need to choose the correct option. Now the first one, students, is which of these is not the reason, which of these is not the reason for the Bengal tiger to be chosen as the national animal of India. Now, अब यहाँ पे 3 रीजन दिए हैं, उसमें से हमको वो रीजन देखना है जो रीजन नहीं है ना, उसको चूज करने का फॉर द नेशनल एनिमल कैटेगरी. एंड ऑप्शन ए इज it is graceful. This was the reason for it to be selected as the national animal. Second, B is it is powerful. ये भी रीजन था उसको नेशनल एनिमल कैटेगरी में सेलेक्ट करने का. एंड द थर्ड ऑप्शन इज इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. It looks beautiful. So the correct option is option C. Beta, the correct option is option C. Please mark option C. First, graceful, ये एक क्राइटेरिया था उसको नेशनल एनिमल सेलेक्ट करने का. It was powerful. This was also a criteria for getting it selected for the national animal category. It looks beautiful. This was not the criteria और यही पूछा गया है. Which of these is not the reason for the Bengal tiger to be chosen as the national animal of India? तो it looks beautiful, ये reason नहीं था. So please all of you put a tick on the C option. Clear? I hope everyone is done. Now I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write the second one. Okay, the second one is which country has the maximum सबसे ज्यादा number maximum number of tigers? And the options are A, India. A is India. B, Bhutan. And C, China. Now you have read the lesson and I am sure all of you know the answer, and the correct option is India. India has got 70% of the total world's tigers population. इंडिया में वर्ल्ड में जितने भी टाइगर्स हैं 70% टाइगर्स किस कंट्री में है? इंडिया. एंड वी होप कि आगे आने वाले इयर्स में वो और नंबर इंक्रीज होगा. क्लियर? नाउ द थर्ड वन. देन I'm going to draw a line and we are going to write the third one. In which country was Project Tiger launched? In which country was Project Tiger launched? When was it launched? When was it launched? किस कंट्री में लॉन्च हुआ है और कब लॉन्च हुआ है? We need the year and the name of the country. And the options which are given to us are, the first one is it was launched in India in 1973. B option is it was launched in Bhutan in 1973. And option C is it was launched in Myanmar in 1973. So 3 countries के नेम दिए हैं. It was launched in India in 1973. It was launched in Bhutan in 1973, and it was launched in Myanmar in 1973. And the correct option is it was launched in India in 1973. So option A is correct. All of you please put a tick on option A. It was launched in India in 1973. Clear? So I hope everybody has done the second and third one. Once again I'll revise and then I'll erase. The second question is, which country has the maximum number of tigers? The correct answer is option A, India. Then the third is, in which country was Project Tiger launched? When was it launched? The correct option is option A, it was launched in India in 1973. Second का भी correct option A है and third का भी correct option A है. I hope everybody has done. So now I'm going to erase this and write the fourth one. You need to do this exercise in the book itself. You don't need to do it in the notebook. Now the fourth one. Which tiger is found throughout throughout India except in the northwestern region. In the northwestern region. The question fourth is, which tiger is found throughout India except in the northwestern region? इंडिया के नॉर्थवेस्टर्न रीजन को छोड़ के कौन सा टाइगर का ब्रीड है जो पूरे इंडिया में मिलता है? ऑप्शन ए इज द व्हाइट टाइगर. Option B, the Royal Bengal tiger. And option C, the cheetah. So, what have we read in the lesson? The Royal Bengal tiger. The correct answer is option B, the Royal Bengal tiger. It is found in all the parts of India except the northwestern region. Northwestern region को छोड़ के इंडिया में सब जगह Royal Bengal tiger is found. I hope this is clear and everybody has done. The correct option is option B, the Royal Bengal tiger. Fine. Now, the last question of this exercise. Question number 5. How many tiger reserves were established? How many tiger reserves were established throughout the country under the project tiger? This question asks कि how many tiger reserves were established? कितने tiger reserve establish हुए हैं throughout the country under the project tiger? Project tiger में कितने tiger reserves establish हुए हैं? Option A is 25. Option B 23 and option C 21. So the correct option is option B 23. Throughout the nation 23 tiger reserves have been established. So please mark 23 as the correct answer. Clear? Please write fast. All of you please write fast. I hope everyone has done. Once again I'll revise the 4th and 5th. Then I'm going to erase and start with the next exercise of comprehension. 4th, which tiger is found throughout India except in the northwestern region? The answer is the Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger India के हर part में है except for the northwestern region. Then the second question is, how many tiger reserves were established throughout the country under the project tiger? So the correct answer is 23 tiger reserves. 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country under the project tiger. So I hope everybody has written, children. So now I'm going to erase this and I'm going to start with exercise B. Now, exercise B is complete the following table using the information given in the lesson that you have read. अब बेटा टेबल दिया है, हमको कंप्लीट करना है। जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमको लेसन में दी गई है उस बेसिस पे हमको इस टेबल को कंप्लीट करना है। एंड द टेबल इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर। क्लियर? Then one table has been made in your book. Clear? And the first heading is year of establishment I'll put this as number 1 so that easier for you, no confusion. This is number 1. Clear? इसको हम number 1 डाल देते हैं. Year of establishment and the country. So, year जिस year में प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एस्टैब्लिश हुआ वो ईयर और किस कंट्री में. सो इन विच ईयर वॉज प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एस्टैब्लिश्ड? इट वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1973 एंड द कंट्री इज इंडिया. सो ईयर ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एंड द कंट्री. सो व्हाट हैव वी रिटन? 1973 इंडिया. आई होप एवरीवन हैज डन. Okay, so year of establishment 1973 and country is India. Now the second heading is aim of the project. Second heading क्या है बेटा? The second heading is aim of the project. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हुआ इसका एम क्या था? So, we write now what was the aim? The aim was preserving the remaining tiger population, preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing increasing the population of tigers. As well as increasing the population of tigers. तो इस प्रोजेक्ट का एम क्या था? The aim of this project preserving the remaining tiger population in the country, कि जितने भी टाइगर्स अभी बचे हैं इस कंट्री में उनको बचा लिया जाए, and as well as इसके अलावा इंक्रीजिंग द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स, कि टाइगर्स की पॉपुलेशन को बढ़ाया जाए. ठीक है, दिस वाज द एम. प्रिजर्विंग करना मतलब बचाना, जो रिमेनिंग टाइगर्स हैं उनको बचाना और उनकी पॉपुलेशन को इंक्रीज करना, यही एम था प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर का. प्रिजर्विंग द रिमेनिंग टाइगर पॉपुलेशन in the country as well as increasing the population of tigers. Clear? I hope everybody has done this, students. So now I'm going to erase this. अब मैं इसको erase करने जा रही हूँ और थर्ड हेडिंग लिखूंगी. Once again I'll revise. Year of establishment in the country 1973 India. Please do it in the notebook because आपके बुक में इतनी स्पेस नहीं है कि you can write. There's only one line given for this and I don't think you'll be able to write in that one line. So please make a column with pencil and write this exercise in pencil in your notebook. Do this exercise in pencil. So, preserving, aim of the project is preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of tigers. Done? I hope everyone has done. Okay. So now I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write the third heading. Now, the third heading is reasons for starting it. अभी जो third heading है, that is reasons for starting it. क्या रीजन था कि प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर को स्टार्ट किया गया? So now we need to write the reason, and the reason was as there was a fear, डर था that tigers might be wiped out मतलब खत्म हो जाना. डर था कि एक दिन हमारी कंट्री से सारे टाइगर्स जो है वो खत्म हो जाएंगे फ्रॉम द इंडियन सॉइल. लोग हंटिंग कर रहे थे, पोचिंग कर रहे थे. सो डर था कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि सारे टाइगर्स इंडियन सॉइल से खत्म हो जाएंगे. इसी को सोचते हुए प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर जो है स्टार्ट किया गया. उसके अंडर में 23 टाइगर रिजर्व्स थ्रू आउट द कंट्री वर एस्टैब्लिश्ड. सो रीजंस फॉर स्टार्टिंग इट, क्या कारण था कि इसको स्टार्ट किया गया? सो द रीजन इज आज देयर वाज द फियर, डर था. फियर मीन्स डर, दैट टाइगर्स माइट बी वाइप्ड आउट फ्रॉम द इंडियन सॉइल, कि इंडिया से सारे टाइगर्स खत्म हो जाएंगे, एक भी टाइगर कंट्री में नहीं बचेगा. तो इसको सोचते हुए प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर लॉन्च किया गया. फाइन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर टुडे टिल हियर ओनली. आई विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग विद द remaining exercise in my next video. Till then, all of you, please read the lesson again and again, and please write this exercise in your notebook with a pencil. Make proper columns using a pencil and scale, and please write this exercise in the notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. Good day ahead.